In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn between $100 to $250 every single day by providing a desperately needed service. Now, this is a service that is needed widely by many people. There is really going to be no problem finding people who are going to need your service. Now, you're going to be able to do this through the use of a very inexpensive, simple piece of software. So you're not going to have to do a whole lot of work. The software is going to do all the work for you. Now, what is the service that you're going to be offering? Well, the service is going to be providing SEO services for website owners. Now, every website owner wants his website to rank high in the Google search rankings because that's how you get traffic. And the Google traffic, especially the Google search traffic, is the highest quality traffic that you can find, because people go to Google because they need answers to questions. They've got problems that they need to have solved. So when they go to Google, they are looking for help right now. And these type of people already have a buyer mentality before they even get to your website, before they even find your website. So this traffic is extremely high quality traffic, as opposed to, say, traffic on Facebook, where people are basically surfing on Facebook for social interaction. And if your ad happens to pop up, chances are they may not even be looking for your product, or they may have a slight interest in it, but you're interrupting what they really want, why they're really there on Facebook in the first place. But when they go to Google, they're looking for answers. Now, before I get into the software and how you're going to make money doing this, let me show you what people are charging for these services. So this site is Fiverr, and we're going to go into Fiverr and we're going to do a simple search. I just put in the term SEO to see what people are charging for this type of a service. So here, I will top rank your website with Supreme SEO, $560. That's starting at $560. If you think that's a fluke, I will do SEO full page, $150. Here, I will do complete SEO, $100. I will up rank your site, $70. I will do 1 month SEO on your website for $100. That's on Fiverr. Let's take a look at another site. This site is called Upwork. Upwork is a site where you can find freelancers. So I just put in the term SEO expert to see what came up. So the first result is this gentleman here, SEO expert. He's charging $100 an hour. That's not a flat fee. That's $100 an hour to do SEO work for you. And it goes on. Not all these people are doing SEO, but we can find a few more. SEO expert, $60 an hour. Here, SEO, $53.50 an hour. So that's those two sites. Now take a look at another site. This site is called People Per Hour, and it's also a site where you can find freelancers. So again, my search term is SEO expert. Now, these people are quoting their prices in pounds. And as this is being recorded, a pound is equal to about $1.27. So somebody here says he's going to build you SEO links, 290 pounds. That's over $300. Offer white hat SEO, organic SEO, 200 pounds. It's about $250 for that service. So by now, you should be convinced that people are charging, optimize the hell out of your WordPress, 120 pounds. So you should be pretty well convinced by now that people can make good money by offering SEO services. But you tell yourself that SEO services can be extremely complex. Well, let me show you a brand new software that takes the complexity out of all the work. This is a brand new software called Core SEO. And what Core SEO is it's a powerful SEO optimization tool which helps people get over Google's freshest update. Now, the creators of this tool tested it out, and it got them up to 20,000 visitors a day. Now, what does Core SEO do? Because there are other SEO optimization tools out there. But what makes this tool so different? Core SEO is the one and only software application that addresses all the optimization requirements that Google has. That's all the optimization requirements for any website, and is a total and comprehensive solution for all the SEO updates from Google. If you're familiar with this, you know that Google has updated. They've had the Panda update, the Penguin update, numerous other updates. And the last update, which happened in the beginning of June of 2019, is called the Core update. And these updates, whenever they happen, and there's no exception, just happened with the Core update, many sites either get totally deranked or they just get dropped in the rankings like they're going right through the floor. This software will help analyze any website and give you written suggestions as to what you need to do to improve the rankings of your website. All you need to do for this application is to insert the URL of any site, and it will analyze the site in a matter of seconds and prepare a recommendation sheet that tells you what's wrong and exactly what you need to do to fix the site. Does it right away for you very simply. Like I said, this is a brand new software that just came out. Here's what it does. Put in any website and instantly get a complete report of its real SEO position. Now, it also analyzes your backlinks for 20 plus ranking parameters. Now, why is this important? Everybody seems to think that you got to get backlinks to get your site to rank. And that is true, but it's really only partially true, because what you need to get are good backlinks from good authoritative sites. There is such a thing as bad backlinks. These are from sites that are either not authoritative or that are really inferior sites. And getting backlinks from those sites will actually hurt your rankings. So what this software does is it analyzes your backlinks and tells you which ones to keep and which ones to get rid of. It analyzes 45 parameters to decide exactly where your website is missing, where you're leaking traffic, and what you can do about it. It will help people rank faster and hold on to their ranks. It will let them stay where they are. You don't have to worry about getting deranked tomorrow. It's compatible with, it's all SEO compliance. You have no worries about that. There's no black hat here, so you never have to worry about running afoul of anybody's rules. There's even a video on this page which gives you a demo and shows you exactly how this software works. And what you can do is you can make your content website a place that Google loves. It's created by experts who got over 1 million visits on their sites a month using this software. You can find all the pressing issues that you can fix immediately to boost your site. As I mentioned, there's no black hat techniques that are going to get you banned forever. You don't have to worry about that. You can find what backlinks are good and what are bad and disavow the bad backlinks. You don't have them, you'll get rid of them. They won't be affecting your site. This thing is extremely easy to use. Now, how can you make $100 to $250 a day using this software? Well, you can do it in a number of ways. First of all, you can sell backlinks analysis as a service to businesses. You can just do that part of it. You can analyze their backlinks and let them know which backlinks are good and which ones they want to get rid of. And you can do this in a matter of minutes, and you can charge for that. You can also sell on-page optimization as a service, like we saw on Fiverr and People Per Hour and Upwork, and you can make a nice piece of change doing that, where you just offer your services to help optimize pages for your clients. You can also generate optimization reports for any site and sell them to an owner. You can tell an owner, I can tell you what's wrong with your site, and I will give you a report to tell you everything you have to do if you want to do it yourself, or you may want me to do it for you, and again, you charge accordingly. You can also do this. This is very creative. You can use these reports as a powerful lead magnet. So if you have a client who's attempting to build an email list, or you yourself may be wanting to build an email list, you can offer a free optimization report on any URL that somebody wants to check out. And you can offer that as a lead magnet. So if you have a client, you can charge your client X number of dollars for every one of these that you produce, and your client can turn around and give them away for free in exchange for somebody's email address. And then finally, if you have a client who wants to do this for their existing clientele, you can use the reports and analysis as an add-on to provide value to your current clients. It's an add-on that just provides additional value for any client that you have, and you make yourself more valuable to that client. So you can really use any of these techniques to build a business out of it. And each one of these is really a separate function to earn you money. So you can get this software that costs, the front end of this software costs $24. That's a one-time charge of $24 for this valuable software which can put you right into business. And in addition, it's a brand new software which is coming out on June 25th of 2019. I've got a bunch of bonuses included here. There are 11 bonuses in all, which are probably worth in excess of $1,000 for the value that these bonuses provide. And you can use these bonuses together with this software in your business. So if you'd like to get started right away to making $100 to $250 a day, doing very little work on your part, basically entering URLs and giving away reports or selling reports, then all you have to do is click on the link in the description below this video, and you will be taken right to the website where you can get your copy of Core SEO and all my exclusive bonuses. I am also going to include a link in the video below to my review page, so you can take a look at the entire review of this product, get the full download on the product, and you can even see a demo video to see exactly how powerful this product is. So again, if you'd like to start earning fairly easy money with very little work on your part, then just click on the link below and you can get started right away.